In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota 4Runner key fob and change the battery yourself at home. It's very simple to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR1632 batteries. Now, you might have a key fob that looks quite similar to this, but it is a light gray plastic here. The whole body is a more of a light gray, whereas this one is black. Don't worry, it's actually the same device, same battery, and the procedure to open it up is exactly the same, so just follow along. You just have a different color. No matter what key you have, the first step here is just to hold this button down on the side and pull out the internal key. From here, you can see that is the keyhole, and then right across from it, there's a little perpendicular indentation. See, keyhole, indentation. We're going to insert the flathead screwdriver in there and just twist the screwdriver to open up this device. So now we can pull this apart, take this and carefully set it to the side with this rubber component facing up. You don't want to flip this over, or perhaps your buttons will come falling out. So just carefully set that to the side. And from here, I'm just going to take the corner of my flathead screwdriver and gently lift up this circuit board. Now we can set this to the side, and under the circuit board, we are going to find the battery. Now, with your circuit board oriented just like this, we're going to come in up on the top right. You can see there's this little opening, this little corner. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver in there and just kind of hold the battery down so it doesn't fly out, and you want to get under it and pry it out just like that. And once it pops out, you can go ahead, get rid of your old battery, take a brand new one. And again, this is a CR1632 battery. And if you don't know where to get that, check out the link in the description to get one on Amazon. Make sure you're putting your battery in positive side up. So you should see this text and battery information facing up, and you're just gonna click it in, make sure it is secure. Take this back piece of plastic here, and you see where there's that little circle. That's the battery is just going to sit right on top of that. So set that down. Pick up this front piece of plastic, and we're just going to click it all back together. Okay, and finally put your key back in there. You can push down the buttons, and this little light will come on, indicating that your battery has some juice in it and you followed all the instructions correctly. So good job on that one. And I really hope this video did help you out. And if it did, you can let me know just by giving this video a like or telling me down in the comment section. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.